Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your carrier plan and device readiness. Turn on mobile data, because the hotspot uses that connection directly. Once enabled, make sure any carrier or APN blocks are addressed. Plug the phone into power if you plan extended use, and keep an eye on battery and thermal warnings. Next, open the hotspot or tethering section in Settings so you're ready to configure SSID and password. Do this now to avoid interruptions when you continue. Now configure the hotspot options to balance speed, range, and security. You choose an SSID and a solid password. WPA2 or WPA3 is best because an open hotspot invites misuse. Then select the radio band. Pick 5 GHz for faster throughput when range is short or 4 GHz if you need coverage. Also decide whether devices connect by Wi-Fi, USB tethering for stable single device use, or Bluetooth for low bandwidth. Once set, save and start the hotspot so devices. Finally, connect your devices. Enter the SSID and password, or plug in and enable USB tethering for one device. Make sure you monitor data usage and active clients, set a timeout or cap to prevent unwanted drain. Once devices are online, test speed and latency, adjust band or relocate the phone for better signal. If something fails, reboot the phone, toggle mobile data and hotspot off and on, and if necessary, reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.